If you've ever recorded a video and separate audio file and they don't line up perfectly, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to sync audio with video in CapCut PC, fast and accurately. This is super useful for podcasts, voiceovers, interviews, music videos, and any project where your sound needs to match the visuals. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple CapCut tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump into it. The first thing you want to do is open your project in CapCut PC. If you already have a project started, just load it up so you can work inside the editing timeline. If you're starting fresh, create a new project and bring in both your video and your audio files. Once your files are inside CapCut, add the video to the timeline first, then place the audio track underneath it. Having both clips on the timeline is important, because it gives you a clear view of what needs to be matched. Now the next step is to zoom in on the timeline. This helps a lot when you're trying to make precise adjustments. The more zoomed in you are, the easier it is to spot small timing differences between the video and the audio. If the clips are even slightly off, zooming in will make that much easier to fix. After that, look for clear audio cues that can help you line things up correctly. This could be a clap, a beat drop, a noticeable word, or the moment someone starts speaking. These kinds of reference points make syncing much easier because you can match a visual moment in the video with a sound in the audio track. Once you've found the cue you want to use, click on the audio clip and drag it left or right along the timeline. Move it until the cue in the audio matches the exact moment in the video. If the sound happens too early, slide it to the right. If it happens too late, slide it to the left. Take your time here, because even a tiny shift can make a big difference in how natural the final video feels. A great tip is to use the Playhead to preview the sync in small sections. Move the Playhead to the area you're editing and play just a few seconds at a time. Listen closely and watch the video at the same time to make sure the audio matches properly. If it still feels off, stop, adjust the clip a little more, and preview again. This step-by-step testing is the easiest way to get clean, professional-looking sync without guessing. If you're editing something with speech, try syncing the first word or the first mouth movement. If you're editing music, line up the beat with a visual change or action in the video. The better your reference point, the easier the sync will be. Once everything sounds right, play the full section one more time to double-check. If the audio stays in sync throughout that part of the video, you're good to go. And that's how you sync audio with video in CapCut PC. It's really just about adding both clips, zooming in, finding a strong cue, dragging the audio into place, and previewing carefully until it matches. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another CapCut editing tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.